Hi everyone, let us proceed with chapter 9 with the topic of simulation. Simulation is a procedure of generate data with specific distribution and testing whether the data fit the purpose statistical method or not. In parametric tests, there are assumptions that need to be fulfilled specifically on the distribution. So therefore, we can generate data that mimic the behavior of actual data and verify whether the analysis that we conducted satisfy the condition made prior to distribution. So these are some of the R command for generating data for specific distribution. For normal distribution, we use the R norm, where n is the length of the observation, and then mean and the standard deviation is the value that we specified in a vector form. For example, here generate 10 observation from normal distribution with mean equal to 15 and standard deviation equal to 2. Okay, so you can type R norm. 10 is the number of observation, mean is equal to 15, and then the standard deviation equal to 2. Okay. So you will get 10 random observation that come from the normal distribution with mean equal to 15 and then standard deviation equal to 2. Okay, so since this is a random number, so therefore your observation might not be the same as mine. So therefore we need to set up first so that when you want to generate the same random number, it will appear as the same as what we want. So we can use the set.seed function, so which I will explain later. For uniform distribution, okay, so we use this function R uniform, okay, and the number of observation. So in the uniform distribution, we need to specify the minimum value and the maximum value. So you can run this one, right click, copy, and then paste. So let's say we want to run 10 observation. Okay, with mean from the uniform distribution, minimum equal to 0, maximum equal to 1. So this is the observation. And then for Poisson distribution is a discrete random variable, so we need the information pertaining to the lambda. So the coding is R Pois. So specify the number of observation and then the lambda. For example, here let's say we want to generate 10 random observations from Poisson distribution with lambda equal to 5. Okay, so just type R Pois. 10 is the number of observation and then the value of lambda. And then for binomial distribution is also a discrete random variable that obtained from multiple trial with prior probability. So we use the R binom. N is the number of observation, size is the number of trials, it can be 0 or more, and then the probability of success on each trial. So let's say we want to generate 10 random observations from binomial distribution with 3 trials and probability of success is equal to 0.5. So you can type here R binom. 10 is the number of observation, and then the number of trials is equal to 3, and then the probability of success is 0.5. Copy and then paste here. So this is the output of the random variable that generate from the binomial distribution. Okay, as I said, the number that you generate might not be the same as mine because the number of observation are generated at random. So therefore, you can use or you can set the random number by using the set.seed. Okay, the random number generation are varied, hence we need to set the generated observation to be the same when the run the random observation by using the set.seed function. We can assign any positive integer value, okay, as a reference. For example here, let's say if I want to generate 10 random observations from the normal distribution, mean equal to 0 and standard deviation equal to 1, and then I will use the set.seed 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I will use set 1, 2, 3 and then generate the random number of 10 observation, and then mean equal to 0, standard deviation equal to 1. Okay, so just use set.seed 1, 2, 3 and then our norm 10, mean equal to 0, standard deviation equal to 1. Okay, so if I run this one, okay, so you will get the same answer as mine. Okay, if you don't run with the set.seed 1, 2, 3, okay, you will get a different answer. Okay, but if you come up with the set.seed 1, 2, 3 here, run, okay, I will get the same answer as the previous one. Okay, where I put the set.seed 1, 2, 3. Actually, you can put any number here. Okay, not necessarily to put 1, 2, 3, set 1, set 12, as long as it is an integer. Okay, thank you.